Hello everyone. So today I will tell you about the requirements to start with coding Android application in Android device. So, as I said, that I will try to make things easier, like that I found something special for you all, and now my creator, or say my God, will guide you all with further steps. So enjoy.
Okay, hello, let's start. First we will install our application. So open your Play Store and type the AIDE, the IDE for Android, Java and C++. Install it. I like this application for coding because we can do many things in this application and it's very convenient to use. Okay, now after installing, let's open our app. Here it is. Now I will start with experts coding. I don't want to learn, and many things are also many things are paid there, so I don't like that. Okay, I will not buy here. If you want, you can buy it, or else there are many cracked version is also available in the Google. So now see how many things we can do here. Android app, the first thing. Next, mobile games, Java applications, C++ coding, native Android apps, and we will discuss this about this latter. Phone gap app. If you know HTML and CSS, you can create phone gap apps by those codes, and you can build websites and JavaScript also. So let's create our first project. I'll name it, or simply I'll name it AVTutorials. Okay, now the next thing is our package name. Remember, your package name always will start with com dot and then anything you want, but in small letters and no special characters. It's better if you keep your package name always a unique word. And yeah, remember always that in the name of the application, don't use a space. Instead that I will use underscore. Okay, so after that, the application I have built your first application, Hello World application. So let's run this application. Install it. This is what I like here, that here we don't need to use any emulator. Okay, and this is your first Android application, first Hello World application. You got it? Okay, so next I'll tell you where the file is located. So this is your internal storage. Here, after installing this AIDE application, you will get this folder, app projects. Open it, and here we have created our application, AVTutorials app. Okay, here you have your project properties. Add to project means something like Java files, library project, new library project you can create there, and many Google supports, Firebase, and many things are there. we'll discuss all later. So now let's see the next things. src means the source file, build.gradle file, and this progrard rules.pro. So here this progrard rules pro file and gradle file and this build folder, we don't need to do anything in these three folders. The application will automatically manage all these things. So what we need here, we need the source folder. Okay, now here in the source folder we have this android.manifest.xml, or we can say this that this is our application's main style sheet, where we have to define all things. Now we have another two folders, this Java folder and res means the resources folder. Okay, we will discuss all about later. First let's see the manifest file. From this file we can add the permission access to the application, like if you need to use the microphone of the device with this application, like in Android 6.1 or after Marshmallow and above version, the user have to give access for permissions like for recorder, microphone and all. Now the next thing is here we can do the icon. We can select the icon of the application and see it is here at the rate drawable. So in the resources folder we will see drawable. We have four folders: HDPI, MDPI, XHDPI, XXHDPI. These are the four types of DPI size, mean the pixel size of your phone. So we have to give four types and quality of images to all these folders, so that the application will automatically decide that with your phone's compatibility which version is more better for your device. Okay, so the next thing is here you can see that Android label means string / app name, but we have selected the app name as AV tutorials, right? Okay, so this is because it's in the folder at the rate strings. So in the resources file you will get that folder, and here you can see this strings.xml. So here you can define all the strings, the global variables of a string value to the application, so that like this string name app_name AV tutorials. If I change the app name from here, it will automatically change from whole application wherever I have selected this app name, so it will be easier for me to change. Now here another thing, that style. In this style.xml we have selected the theme of the application. Now you can see here that the name is app icon, whose parents is Android style home holo light, or you can choose home holo dark or any type of theme which you want to choose for your application. You can select it here. Okay, now instead of light you can write the dark and all, or anything else, another type of styles you can use it here, so that you can globally use it everywhere in your application, so it will become more convenient for you to use it and you don't have to define it everywhere. Okay, so I told you all this. Now the main XML file. Okay, and these are the I will cover up afterwards, that what are the things in this manifest XML. So this I will bring in my another tutorial. Now let's see where we will find our main.xml. Okay, this here resources folder, layout, here you will find the main XML file, which is the style sheet, the user interface, where you will design the user interface of your application. So here it is. So don't worry if you don't know anything about XML coding. I will tell you the easier way. As I have told before only, I will try to make coding easier as much as possible. Okay, now your main activity.java. This file, you can see this. See, Java. We came here easily, but it's in our package name, tutorial av.com. Okay, when you will click on Java, it will redirect you to the main file. Okay, here this Java file is the important file. Here you will define your XML, this XML things like your user interface. You will design it here, but then you have to tell that Java in Java language that how to function. Like if you define a button here, then you have to tell you have to code there that you have to listen the click of the button, and then you have to perform some word to say, like you will set an object and tell him to perform this object, call this object and perform this function. And also for command it about on start activity, and many things are there which I will cover up in my next tutorial. So thank you.
Hey. Hope you understood all well. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. And press the bell icon below to stay tuned with me. Thank you.